Welcome to Laugh Balloon Kids TV. Learn about birds for kids. What animal is it? This is a chicken. This is a chicken. This is a chicken. This is a chicken. What animal is it? This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. What animal is it? This is a goose. This is a goose. This is a goose. This is a goose. What animal is it? This is a quail. This is a quail. This is a quail. This is a quail. What animal is it? This is a turkey. This is a turkey. This is a turkey. This is a turkey. What animal is it? This is a gander. This is a gander. This is a gander. This is a gander. What animal is it? This is a pheasant. This is a pheasant. This is a pheasant. This is a pheasant. What animal is it? This is a guinea fowl. 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 What animal is it? This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. What animal is it? This is a peafowl. This is a peafowl. This is a peafowl. This is a peafowl. Congratulations! See you later with the next lesson. Thanks for watching.